Okay, mic check. Yep. Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay, can. Yeah, so welcome everyone and very good morning. I mean, for people who are in Singapore itself, yeah, good morning to you. And it's a weekend, so weekend for my case, usually I will start early and then, um, yeah, carry out of my analysis for the week to come. And yeah, I'm coming back to this platform once again every week, or rather I do midweek as well. And yeah, I'm starting this analysis again for the week to come. So yeah, without further ado, I think we can start with the forex calendar. So for the forex calendar, you can see on Monday itself. Actually, for Monday, Tuesday, you don't really have any key news. So like you can see over here, the pound, the U. I mean, for the currency related to pound and euro, the pound. I mean, the UK bank is actually on holiday because of the I think the king. Yeah, the king coronation. So yeah, holiday, and then Tuesday we have nothing up here. Okay, so basically nothing up because I actually removed the um low impact news. So if you were to open up, yeah, there are some low impact news which from my experience doesn't really relate much to the forex market movement. So there isn't much movement even if the news is released. So yeah, that's why I just close it off, filter it out, and mainly it's just showing the orange, which is the medium and the high impact news over here. So yeah, moving on from Wednesday itself, then we will start to see more news coming out. I mean, in terms of like in US, you have this CPI news, which will be quite significant because it's actually related to the inflation trend and all that. So yeah, this will definitely move the market in terms of the USD and USD related majors. Okay, then for the Thursday itself, Thursday we do see that we have this pound release for, I mean, the release of the interest rate movement. I mean, interest rate, whether is it going to increase, decrease, or stay put. And and from the figure itself, it seems like there's also another 25% basis point increase for the pound. Okay, so that's on pound, and then US dollar and New Zealand dollar. There are some news as well for Thursday and Friday. So a pretty quiet week, I would say. Yeah, as compared to some other week, like last week, you do have the Aussie dollar rate, you have the US dollar rate, and then also the euro. So last week was quite a happening week as compared to this coming week. Okay, so that is on the okay, so that, yeah, that's on the forex calendar. And then right now let's move on back to the chart itself. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. I'm actually using two, yeah, that desktop and laptop. So sometimes it does have this, yeah, allowing me only to use one platform. Yeah. So nevertheless, let's move on to the chart, and then yeah, you um it is kind of predictable where the price is going to go when you're looking at the higher time frame. As I mentioned, the USD has pretty much it doesn't have any clear direction. And let's say if you were to be trading on the USD, right, most probably over here you will be going down over here at the top. Yeah, it's basically just ding donging in the range. So yeah, over here, if you are going down to the low time frame, you can look for potential turn to go on short, and then probably for the week to come, yeah, likely you can look for long, as long as this range doesn't this range play out and doesn't break, and yeah, pretty much you're safe to just play along with the range. Yeah, looking at, of course, the majors, which one is the strongest, which one the weakest. If you are going on long for the US dollar, right, on the shorter I mean on the lower time frame, then of course you will pair it with let's say some other currency. I mean, in terms of the currency, the majors, that's something that is relatively weaker, right? Okay, so of course, if let's say you want to go on long on the USD, then probably you won't be looking at this pound dollar to go on short, because it seems like it is pretty strong from what I can see until now. But yeah, but it can also change after the rate announcement, because there might be something that the governor might be speaking about that, yeah, make the people less bullish about the currency after that. So yeah, that might change, but yeah, that's just the general idea that you can operate along around with. Okay, so midweek last this week rather, yeah, this week midweek, actually I have mentioned about the Canadian Swiss franc and also Aussie New Zealand. So yeah, those are the pair that I've mentioned about in the midway, and you can go back looking at it. And then for the Aussies New Zealand, it has been quite a I would say quite a wild week for it, because it has been moving quite substantially in terms of the move that we can see. So midweek, I was talking about this on Wednesday. So Wednesday was after the interest rate for the Aussies dollar, right? So yeah, that's actually quite a deep pullback, after which, and then yeah, you can be on the sideline, because you are not sure whether is it going to be going up or going down. Then yeah, but after which we do get ourselves to have a lower low over here, which probably, I mean, for myself, I did actually have a shot on at this area, because I was looking for this consolidation to break. And then this, yeah, this move now, I believe is like a last move to the downside on the 4 hourly, because if you were to look at or to count the wave count, seems like it's on the fourth wave down already. So one coming down, two, and then this is just another third push down, and then this the fourth. So for myself, I do see the number of pushes on the higher time frame, and also on the time frame that I'm trading on. So yeah, if this is already on the fourth push, then probably I will also be quite cautious in terms of taking profit and stuff like that. So, but of course, if let's say you went down to the 1 hourly, then this is actually the second push for the 1 hourly. Okay, after the breakdown, then yeah, then obviously after that, the price came back all the way to here. Okay, so starting with the analysis, like I mentioned already on the USD, unless we do see a breakout from this big chunk of consolidation, if not, probably it will still be in the ranging, ranging type of characteristic. Okay, so this week wise, what I will be covering is, of course, if let's say you want to go on a counter trend, maybe you can also look at the dollar Swiss franc, of it, of a potential to actually reverse in the direction. So this is the range that you can see over here, and then over here. So if there's a decent pullback, then yeah, maybe you can just go on and long for dollar Swiss franc. although yeah, you can see that no doubt is a downtrend. Yep. So that's that. So yeah, like I mentioned, it's a counter trend trade. And then also for dollars sing, yeah, it is not that nice, but it is also at a support zone that you can take a look at. Of course, if things goes bad, or yeah, in terms of like USD going weaker, then of course this pair can go down further, and yeah, from there on go down further, or it can just yeah go on ding dong again in this tight range. Okay, so that is on the major itself. Then for the other pairs, right, I think I also did mention about this, like Euro, Aussies, Euro, New Zealand, which was still on a slight correction, but after last week, it seems like there's a deeper correction coming along. So yeah, but if you were to look at the level that it is going to be at now, yeah, they for myself, maybe it won't be that attractive for me to go on long on the I mean go on short on the lower time frame, because the fact that it has corrected quite significantly until it reaches a certain level of support resistance level area. Okay. Likewise, for the Euro New Zealand, it's more prominent on the Euro New Zealand um, pair. And if you were to zoom out on the higher time frame, then you can see that it is right now sitting at the last breakout area. Okay, so yeah, over here, but of course, and anything can happen in the forex itself. So, for example, if let's say euro is going to weaken against the commodity like Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, then of course it can continue to go down further after some consolidation. So for me, what I will be looking at is, of course, waiting for some consolidation. If there's some sign of it turning up on the lower time frame, then of course I might be doing some counter trend over there. And then of course, if things goes yeah, southward, then yeah, I'll go along with the trade itself. So yeah, just keep an open mind, see what will be happening at this level itself. Okay, so you can just mark up the area that you are interested in, and then wait for the price action to show you, or to lead you to the way that you wanted to trade on. Okay, so that's on the Euro New Zealand. And then for this week, I am also looking at dollar, yeah, dollar yen. So this is on the 4 hourly. So 4 hourly, I do see even on the daily itself, it does seems that it is still holding well for the trend line for it to go up further. So yeah, over here I will be on the low time frame to see if there's potential turning upwards for this dollar yen. So likewise for the pound yen, I'm also looking at it for opportunity to see maybe there's a pullback to go on long and stuff like that. Okay, so that's for the yen crosses. I mean, yeah, pound yen and dollar yen. Okay, so that's on pound yen, dollar yen. And then for the Aussies New Zealand, actually I mentioned about it a bit just now, but just to reiterate, okay, so what has happened is that, yeah, maybe allow me to just remove all these arrows over here. Okay, so this is the Aussies New Zealand dollar. So there is this trend line that has been just validated. And then yeah, because for trend line to be valid, there should be at least two touch points. So there's already one and two touch point, and it seems like it is going to be converging into a sort of like a triangle. um, if you were to see it on a higher time frame, maybe on the weekly, but that doesn't really matter. But yeah, the thing is, the fact is that over here you do have a lot of this price action to speak of, and then pretty much this is a two-bar reversal on the higher time frame, which if you were to go down to a lower time frame, there might be a potential for this to be turning upwards. So yeah, for the bull, this might be the first attempt for it to actually create a higher high, but eventually it didn't work out for them. Then yeah, right now the bull is again trying to create another higher high on the 4RD. So yeah, there might be a chance for it to have some pullback and then go up. Then yeah, just keep a lookout for Aussies New Zealand, which might be heading back up to here or maybe to here. I don't know where, but yeah, it will be it might be turning back upwards. Okay, if this were to be holding in place. So yeah, that's on Aussies New Zealand, and then pretty much these are all the currency pairs that I wanted to cover for this week. And of course, stay tuned for the midweek that I will be covering the market on. That would be like at most 5 to 10 minutes type of shorter analysis that I will be covering. Okay, so yeah, if you find that the video is useful and informative, then yeah, you can actually share, like, and then introduce to your friend about, and let them know about this short analysis that I am sharing online over here in TradingView. Okay, thank you and see you all next week.